Hey academic geometry, Miss Perry again. Still working with surface area. This time we're looking at a square pyramid. Square pyramid has 5 faces. It's going to have a square base and 4 triangles as the lateral faces. It's going to turn out that these triangles will all be congruent because the base is a square. So let's get started. First face, we're going to look at the base, which we already mentioned was a square. That square is going to be 18 inches by 18 inches. Area formula for a square is the same as for a rectangle. So we're going to have base times height, or 18 times 18, and that's going to be 324. There's only one square here, so I'm going to stick with my 324. Let's move on to the other 4 faces, which we already mentioned are going to be these congruent triangles on the sides. So my triangle is going to look like this. It's going to have a height that runs down the center of 22. And I know that the base of that triangle is going to be the same as the sides of my square. Area formula for a triangle, 1/2 base times height. Don't forget the 1/2, guys. A lot of you forget that part. So 0.5 times 18 times 22 gives me an area for one of my triangles of 198. But remember, because the base of this pyramid is square, all 4 of my triangle faces will be congruent. So I can take that 198, multiply it by 4, and get an area of 792. So I handled my square base and my 4 triangles. That's all 5 of my faces. Surface area then, capital S, capital A, equals 324 plus 792 for a total surface area in this case of 1,116 inches squared.